So Little Nudge tightens everything up, and he's going to be aiming for the wheel arches. There we go, that's the ramp that he's trying to create. Those Volvos are very, very tough cars.
And you're not watching.
So he's got his target. Get your cameras ready for a sky wheeling. Crew chief is ready. Driver is ready. He needs to hear you in there, so all the way, the bank, the grandstands, the roadside, as loud as you can. Are you ready? Here we go, count me down, help me. From 3, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, hit it. Just giving a little bit of a check. We hold there. Okay, we can go for jump number 2. That was high. But the stack wiggled about a bit. Let's bring him back in and just shove them all a little bit closer. We've got a gap here. Come on in. Let's tighten everything up. Oh, now that's not good. Could you see how one wheel is coming up before the other? That is a monster truck driver's nightmare because you can't get a straight lift on the approach. This might be tricky, but we're going to give it a go. Crew chief, ready. I'm a bit nervous about this one, so are you. Driver ready. Final time to finish off part 1 of the live action arena here on Saturday. Bug Jam crowd.